वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11 स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट नंबर 6 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन। सो दिस इज क्लास 11 स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इज 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. Find its slope and second part x and y intercept. So this is very important question and basic question also. So see how can we solve this question very easily. So this is equation of line is given. We have to find slope and x and y intercept. So you know equation of line is slope into. आप जानते हो equation of line slope intercept form में क्या है? Y equal to mx plus c, right? Where m is the slope and c is the x intercept. So in this question 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. So change this equation in the form of this. So we can write this equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. So when we take this is 4y. So 4y equal to what? 3x plus 10. So y equal to what? This is 3x. That's 3 by 4 plus 10 by 3. So now this is y equal to 3x by 4 plus 10 by 3. So now this is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So here m is what? 3 by 4. So first part of this equation will be what? We have to find slope. So slope m equal to what? 3 by 4. This is my correct answer, that is slope is 3 by 4. Then the next part is what? X and y intercept. So you know from this also you can find x intercept is 10 by 3, or you can say the equation of line given. When you want to find x intercept, then put y equal to 0. If you want y intercept, then put x equal to 0. So here put y equal to 0. When we put y equal to 0, then this equation, when we put y equal to 0, then you will get 3x equal to what? Minus 10. Then x equal to what? Minus 10 by 3. So this is minus 10 by 3. So here you can write 3y equal to 0. So this equation is 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. So this is the equation 3x equal to what? That y equal to 0. Then you will get 3x equal to minus 10. So this is 3x equal to minus 10. So x equal to what? Minus 10 by 3. So x intercept will be what? X intercept will be minus 10 by 3. In the same way, you can put x equal to 0. When you will put x equal to 0 in the equation, you will get y intercept. So this is minus 4y, because this is x equal to 0, so this term will be 0. So minus 4y equal to minus 10. So y equal to what? That is 10 by 4. 10 by 4 means 5 by 2. So y intercept will be what? 5 by 2, and x intercept will be what? Minus 10 by 3. So this is the equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. So we can find 4y equal to 3x plus 10. So 4y equal to what? 3x plus 10. So y equal to what? 3x by 4 plus 10 by 3. 10 by 4. This is 10 by 4. So here slope m equal to what? 3 by 4. Now we have to find x intercept or y intercept. So when we go find x intercept, then x intercept is what? For x intercept, put y equal to 0. So x intercept y equal to 0. So you will get 3x equal to minus 10. So x equal to minus 10 by 3. And when we put x equal to 0 in this equation, then you will get minus 4y equal to what? Minus 10. So this is what? Y equal to 5 by 2. So this is y equal to 5 by 2, and this is x equal to minus 10 by 3. So in this way we can find x-intercept and y-intercept, right? So this is the first question. Now see the next question. Answer second. Second question is reduce the equation 3 root 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0 into a normal form and perpendicular distance p and angle omega. So you know equation of the line in normal form. Equation of the line normal form what? That is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p, where p is the perpendicular distance and omega is the angle. So given equation is what? This is root 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So any equation is given. If you want to change this equation in the normal form, then divide the equation by coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square root under. So root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 root is what? 2. So just divide this equation by 2. When we will divide this equation by 2, we will get root 3 by 2x plus y by 2 and minus 8 by 2 equal to 0. Now you know that is x cos omega. So cos 30 degrees what? Root 3 by 2. And sin 30 degrees what? Half. So we can write x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree. And this is 2 4 ja 8. So this is equal to 4. So now this is the equation x cos 30 degree y sin 30 degree equal to 4. When we compare this equation to this equation, we will get omega equal to what? 30 degree, p equal to 4. So perpendicular distance p equal to 4 and angle omega equal to what? 30 degree. This is the right answer. So what is the important point? Any equation is given just like root 3 plus x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. We have to change this number in the normal form. So we know equation of line in the normal form is x cos omega y sin omega equal to p. So when any equation is given, just divide the equation by root under coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. So here coefficient of x is root 3, coefficient of y is 1. So root 3 square 3 and y square coefficient y is 1. So 1 square 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 root is 2. So divide this equation by 2. So root 3x by 2x, y by 2 minus 8 by 2 equal to 0. Now you know this is coefficient of x, so formality x cos omega. So we can write root 3 as a cos 30 degree and half as a sin 30 degree. So this is x cos 30 plus y sin 30 equal to 4. So our correct answer is what? P perpendicular distance is 4 and theta equal to omega equal to what? 30 degree. Now you see the question number 3rd. So this is the question number 3rd. Find the angle between the line y minus root 3x minus 5 equal to 0 and root 3y minus x plus 6 equal to 0. So when two lines are given and we have to find angle between these two lines. So you know if angle between two lines is theta, then our formula is what? That is tan theta equal to magnitude of slope of second line minus slope of one line and divided by 1 plus slope of one line multiply slope of second line. So tan theta equal to what? M2 minus M1 divided by 1 plus M1 into. M2 is what? Slope of the second line. M1 is what? Slope of the first line. So first you find the slope of first line and second line. So for finding the slope, first you find this equation in the normal form. Okay, so y equal to mx plus c form. So from equation number from equation 1 you can say this equation 1, or you can say direct from y minus root 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So we can write y equal to what? Root 3x plus 5. So this is m1 equal to what? Root 3. In the same way, second equation is given. So from second equation is what? Root 3y minus x plus 6 equal to 0. So y equal to what? This is minus, this minus go right side plus. So this is 1 by root 3x minus 6 by root 3. This is what? This y equal to this minus x go right, then it become positive, and this 6 negative. So divided by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3x minus 6 by root 3. So slope of this line, that is m2, is what? 1 by root 3. Now put this value in the first equation. So you will get, that is tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1. So this is 1 by root 3 minus root 3 and divided by 1 plus m1 m2, that is root 3 multiply 1 by root 3. Now what will be the answer? If you solve this number, 1 by root 3, so root 3 to 3, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So this is minus 2. Here this cancels, so 1 plus 1, 2, and this is root 3. So this is what? 2 root 3. This is the mod. So this cancel, you will get only 1 by root 3. So you can write 1 by root 3 means what? That is tan 30 degree. So tan theta, tan 30 degree. So theta equal to what? 30 degree. So our correct answer, angle between two lines is what? 30 degree. This is the correct answer. So again you listen. Find the angle between the line y minus root 3x minus 50 and root 3y minus x plus 60. So when any two equation is given, we have to find angle between the two lines. Then first you find slope of the first line m1 and slope of the second line m2. How can we find slope? First you find free the y of the equation. So y minus root 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So y equal to what? Root 3x plus 5. So this is y equal to root 3x plus 5. So coefficient of x is slope 1. So the m1 is root 3. In the same way for the second question, this second equation, root 3y minus x plus 6 0. Again you free the y. So root 3y equal to what? X minus 6. So x minus 6. So divided only we have to find y. So divided by root 3. So 1 by root 3x minus 6 by root 3. Now this is the slope 2. So now we have already found slope 1, slope 2. Then apply the formula equation for tan theta. m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 to give 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means 10 by 30. So tan theta 10 by 30. So our angle theta is 30 degree. Correct answer. Now see the last question, that is the fourth question. The fourth question is what? Find the equation. So this is to find the equation of line perpendicular to this line and passing through the point. So here equation is given and passing point is given. We have to find equation of line perpendicular to this line. So you know perpendicular line have a what? So if two lines are perpendicular, then slope of their product is what? Minus 1. So we have to find perpendicular to this line. So slope of this line and slope of this line will be what? Perpendicular, that is reciprocal of each other. So first you find slope of this, then reciprocal of this line will be slope of this required line. So you see first x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So when we free the y, we will get 2y equal to what? That is x plus 3. So y equal to what? X by 2 plus 3 by 2. So slope of this line m1 equal to what? Half. Now slope of required line, suppose m2. So perpendicular, so m2 into m1 equal to what? Minus 1. So m2 into m1 is given half. So this is minus 2. This is minus 1. So slope of required line will be what? Minus 2. So now we have find slope of our required line. And passing point is given minus 1, minus 2. So this is passing point. passing point P equal to given -1, -2, right? So this is what? This is x1 and this is y1. So we know the equation of line is what? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here y minus y1 means what? That is -2. So this is -2 and equal to slope of the required line here m2. So this is what? -2. X minus x1 is what? -1. So minus minus plus. So we will get y plus 2 equal to -2x and -2. So when -2x came here, it is 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line. So again you listen the question. Find equation of line perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and passing through the point -1, -2. So we have to find equation perpendicular to this line and passing through this point. So the line required line is perpendicular to this line. So slope of this line and required line product will be what? -1. So find the slope of this line. So free the y and get slope m1 is half. Now suppose slope of required line is m2. So product of slope line, this line and required line is -1 because they are perpendicular. So m2 equal to what? -2. Now we have slope and the point. So required line is what? Y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is what? -2. So minus of -2 equal to m. Slope is -2. So -2 into x minus x1. So x1 is also -1. So minus minus plus. So y plus 2 is what? -2x minus 2. So our answer into x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the right answer. In this way we have solved all the 4 questions and these questions are very important and basic also. Okay. Thank you.